2014 Toyota Camry. Just installed rear view camera.
Helping us meet this challenge, we got one song left to do it. Will you join?
Everything worked fine. I throw the wires under here, under the carpet. They went here, right to this, under this panel. Under this panel, then they go down here. Under this panel, I took this piece of seat and throw them together with the trunk opener. There's two wires. They go inside here. Two cables actually for gas tank opener and trunk opener. Throw the wires together. Here's one of the wire. That's the wire. Go together with this thing. Here, I took this panel off. Took the plastic off and make a hole inside here and install the camera. That's all.